Hello everyone, this is Chris from Midwest Coaster Fans bringing you another Orion update. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel for future content that drops down. And with that being said, let's go ahead and bring you the Orion update on October 5th, 2019. And we apologize, we were actually at Kings Island last night, but due to it being so dark in the park when they did a Halloween event, I wasn't able to get footage. So I promised the people that I ran into the park that I would put up another video showing the progress on Orion. So originally I said that the last brake run was complete. Obviously, due to the way everything was set up, it looked that way, but it's not complete. What we do know is that the end of the first drop is in place. If you look to your right, the part that was zoomed in just a second ago, you will definitely see that. So as the lift goes up 286 feet, it's going to drop down. Now you can see definitely the change actually in the amount of landscape. So if you're pushing 300 feet at the bottom of that first drop, you're looking at a 14, maybe 15 foot difference between where the lift hill is being put at to the bottom of the first drop. As you can see, we should see more progress being made on the lift hill into the first drop, and then other parts of the coaster will be put in place after that. I'm not sure how much progress they're going to make. This is the only update I've done this week due to the fact they haven't made much progress this week besides the piece put in place at the bottom of the first drop. But as you can see, the coaster is going up. A little is known on how fast it's going to go up. I originally thought it would be put up by the end of December, but it all depends on weather and other scenarios and things of that nature that are going to depend how fast this coaster is put together. And then they could work on the terrace work around the actual coaster and other things. But that concludes our update on Saturday, October 5th, 2019. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel for future content. I'll be dropping down a video from Kings Island Haunt here soon. And this is Chris, signing off from Midwest Coaster Fans. Until next time.